The luxuries of yesterday have become the necessities of today. In this pandemic hit world, we can't use the old methods to achieve new results. So, all of us, we have to come collectively together and rebuild, rethink, and do it from the scratch. And that can be done by using the data, technology, and the right talent in the right place.
We are talking about the great emergence of HR technology, and one interesting aspect is the mapping of skill taxonomy with AI-based tools, looking at job families, job clusters, and a person's skill to chalk out a very personalized career path for an employee is going to be the future that HR wants to have. Map the employee's career aspiration to the roles which are available in the company, and everyone is happy. I'm really looking forward to this bit of technology.
Aren't we talking about this war for talent for a little too long? Time to have a holistic view rather than the silos of talent acquisition, talent management, and talent development? Maybe this is the right time for HR to think in terms of internal talent mobility, investing in redeploying the skills, and allowing our employees to find multiple career paths within our own organization. The new world? Think about it.
Let's talk about the future of work. Whether it's gig economy, hybrid work model, employee well-being, diversity, or the new learning models, or anything else exciting that's happening, you can find it at the Great Emergence People Matters Conference. Be there.
Happy employees are up to 20% more productive at work. A positive employee experience breeds happy employees, which not only build a stronger work culture but also impacts business performance. For increased productivity in your team, it is important to invest in employee happiness through delightful employee experience. As organizations are reinventing themselves with hybrid workplaces, it is the need of hour to adopt a business model that optimizes employee experience and achieve organizational goals. Join us at People Matters Tech HR as we rescript the playbook of HR and work tech.
Hi everyone, I'm Aditi Khairnar. I'm a global consultant at Capgemini in People Experience Design. The key areas where HR would be transformed and disrupted are the integration of HR technology in scaling up personalized and purposeful people experiences. Second, in terms of organization network analysis and its impact on performance management. And third, in terms of the soft skills being the futuristic hard skills. Thank you so much.
After pandemic, which has shown employee experience and care and empathy are such an utmost important business imperative. How about we move away from process-led HR technologies and tools to more experience-led platforms, where we put experience at the heart of everything that we do with our people? Now, wouldn't that be treating our employees as customers?
The world understood the importance of the emotional intelligence and the technology to make sure that the show goes on. Yeah, but what next? Remote working, hybrid working, back to the office, full-fledged? We don't know, we'll see. But one thing is for sure, that the work tech is going to transform the way we work in the future. Hence, I would like to invite you to the great emergence of the HR and work tech at People Matters Tech HR event. Come, let's play the new playbook of the HR and the work tech. See you there.
Hi. So from this pandemic, I feel there are two learnings which I would like to add in the playbook. One, become massively independent. And this goes for you and your team. Help them drive the projects independently. Second, be a radical innovator. Challenge the status quo and disrupt, which is normal. Thank you.
I strongly believe that leadership and trust in the team is more critical than ever in a hybrid way of working. in addition to attracting talent, employer branding has an equally important role to play internally. Digital HR here involves a broad focus, not only on the new technologies, but also on the employee experience and optimizing business outcomes. Your approach here should enable organizations to think beyond the roadmap.
No matter what an organization does in these tough times, good or bad, employees will never forget it. Extraordinary times such as these definitely define a company's brand. I think it's a great opportunity for companies to revisit their EVP. And I think this is a great sense of emergence. So don't forget to attend the People Matters Tech HR event from 4th to 6th August. Take care, stay safe.
This is Esther from People Matters, and one of the things that I think are going to be most transformational in the great emergence is going to be the shift of leadership being a lot more comfortable with not knowing the answers and a lot more comfortable of tapping into the collective intelligence of the teams and really inverting the power equation towards teams that are empowered, that are with access to the right information to take decisions closest to the customer and closest to the market.